Fish on. How's it, guys? It's Marius Mostert here, and I'm fishing a little 5-inch lunker log on a split shot, and got a small little bass here right there. Hungry little fella, proper dink if you ask me. Put her back. Like I said, guys, I've got a 5-inch lunker log here by Googan Baits. It's the ginbuck color. All I did was I initially started weightless, but the wind has picked up a little bit in the background, so I just put a little split shot like almost a foot above that lunker log there. Just helps me to get that bait down right to the bottom, because when the wind is blowing, it tends to move that weightless bait, whatever it is, away from the target area you are fishing. So that little split shot just helps to bring it down, and still you've got a, I wouldn't say semi-weightless rig, but you've got that little weight on the bottom there, and then the lunker log just comes after it behind it. So I'll cast it into the target area, I'll let it sink right to the bottom, and then as soon as I see my line has made its flag, I'll just start twitching it and retrieving it slowly off the bottom. I caught that fish on my Pesca jerkbait rod. Initially I started weightless, so I'll just jerk that little lunker log back, but with the split shot on there, it's still a perfect application. And this rod is just a phenomenal action and so much sensitivity. I can feel every little reed down there. Oh, fish on. Unfortunately, it's another dink. Another little dink on that 5-inch lunker log right there. The bites are really tough, take very subtle take, so I just need to slow down even more. There are so many cold fronts that are moving through here the last couple of weeks, so that can also have an effect on the fish biting. Guys, what I've got paired on my Pesca there is my Custom Pro by Luz. It's a beautiful 8:3:1 ratio reel, nice quick ratio. So whenever I feel that bite there, it just helps me to allow me to bring up that slack much faster, and I'll just set that hook there. It comes with a nice carbon fiber handle, and then of course those very popular wind grips, which makes it very comfortable in your hand. With a funny feeling, I think he wrapped himself around a stick or something. My heart stopped for a moment. I thought it's a big fish. Slightly better. This one is a little bit better. Probably just short of 800 grams. On this Custom Pro, yeah, I've got the Seaguar Red Label fluorocarbon, which most of you guys know by now. That's my go-to line, and very affordable, very reliable, and you can get all of these products from basswarehouse.co.za.